Welcome to STEAM Lava Lamp Challenge with the Calcasieu Parish Public Library. Today's challenge is for 3rd through 5th graders, but older kids and even teens will enjoy this challenge too. Items you will need to try the first lava lamp are oil and water, a bottle or vase, effervescent tablets, and you can use optional items like glitter or sequins and food coloring to make your lava lamp more colorful. If you don't have effervescent tablets, don't worry. You can use regular salt in its place. Items you will need to try the second lava lamp are oil and vinegar, a bottle or vase, baking soda, and again, you can use optional items like glitter or sequins and food coloring to make your lava lamp more colorful.
Hello everybody, this is Elaine with Calcasieu Parish Public Libraries. We've got a special experiment recipes for you today. We're going to create lava lamps. And so I've got two different ones we're going to do today. And I also want to say that we have some optional items you can use. You can either use glitter, sequins, and of course your food coloring so that you can see it better. The reason we're using our jars like this is so that we can show you better how it looks. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add our oil, and I'm going to add it about halfway full. Then I'm going to use my food coloring, which is an optional thing, but I have several. This is just the regular primary color, food coloring. I did about 8 to 10 drops, whatever preference, however dark you want it. Then you're going to take your water and you're going to pour it to about to the top, maybe not all the way to the top. Another optional thing is glitter is one thing and it does pretty good, but I like the way the sequins move around. You can see it a little better than the glitter. So I'm going to put a little bit of sequins in mine. The next step is going to be, we're using, they call it effervescent tablets. You're going to break it up into like 4 equal pieces, and you'll do that to both tablets.
This is a good moment to stop and ask, how does it work? We're going to be mixing 2 liquids. Do you have a guess which liquid has more density, oil or water? If you said water, you are correct. You will notice when Miss Elaine pours the oil in, it goes to the bottom of the vase. But then when she pours in the water on top of the oil, it pushes the oil to the top because water has more density than oil. What do you think will happen when she drops the effervescent tablet pieces into the mixture? Well, we're going to get to watch a cool reaction. When the effervescent tablet begins to dissolve, the chemicals in the tablet react with the water, creating bubbles of carbon dioxide gas, which move up through the oil. And this is how our lava lamp is made.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. And if you would like, you can illuminate it with a flashlight and it'll kind of help show some of what's going on. What you think? Pretty neat, isn't it? Right now we're going to do the oil, vinegar, and baking soda. I think you're going to enjoy this one. So first we need to fill our container with oil, halfway full. Then we're going to fill a quarter of our container that we have left with vinegar. We're going to make our baking soda and water paste. Water. And we're going to stir it. Add about a quarter of a teaspoon more in here. I'm going to stir it up to get it kind of a paste.
Let's stop and think a moment before we watch the second experiment. For the second lava lamp, we are again combining two liquids, oil and vinegar. Which one do you think has more density? Vinegar is largely made up of water, and we already know that water has more density than oil. Vinegar also has more density than oil. Are baking soda and effervescent tablets the same thing? Not exactly. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, does not contain anhydrous citric acid, which is the main ingredient in an effervescent tablet. Are we still going to see a reaction? Yes. We are still going to see a reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar that causes carbon dioxide bubbles to push up through the oil and fizz to the top.
I almost forgot our favorite part, the food coloring. This time we're going to use the red in this one. I do about 5 or 10, however many you think you want. Did y'all see that go in? And of course our glitter, so you can watch it bubble around. That was sequins. Miss Elaine said glitter. And I'm going to let that kind of mix together a little bit. I've got my baking soda and water mixture, and I'm going to add it to the vinegar and oil solution. What do y'all think? Isn't that neat? Y'all see the sequins moving around in there? It even spread it out around on the plate. Shall I add the rest of my solution? Well, let me stir it a little bit because it gets kind of, okay, here we go. Let's see what's going to happen. I think I like the vinegar oil and baking soda solution. But why don't you write in our comments below and let us know which one you like better. Thanks for staying around. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Thanks for joining us for today's STEAM Challenge. If you enjoyed the program, let us know in the comments below. And if you tried one of our lava lamp mixtures, tell us which one and how it worked. Have fun!